guys, Dr. Will here from Miami Spine and Performance. We're back after a little hiatus on YouTube. I'm here today with Martin. Martin is a Jiu-Jitsu master out of Fort Lauderdale. For those of you who know Jiu-Jitsu, a lot of stress on the lower back, a lot of stress on the neck. Martin trains, coaches, competes, so he's kind of got the trifecta of things that can potentially hurt your back. So today we're going to show you just a regular adjustment on a Jiu-Jitsu athlete. So go ahead and lie face up for me, Martin. We're going to start with a thoracic spine adjustment, so we're going to adjust the upper back. This is going to help get some extension of the upper back, take some stress off the shoulders, take some stress off the neck. One more. Nice.
Go.
So here we're going to get a little bit of movement in his left SI joint, left lumbar spine. He's a little locked up in the hip here. Good. Other side for me. Big breath in. Breathe out. Good. Let's go face up. All right, so now we're going to check Martin's neck. Jiu-Jitsu, obviously, with inverting and headlocks and snap downs, there's a lot of pressure on the neck, so usually we find some vertebrae are out of alignment. Check here. Nice. All right, guys, today we're going to do a bonus adjustment. Most people don't know that chiropractors, we do not only adjust the spine, we can also adjust feet, shoulders, hips, knees, wrists. So we're going to adjust Martin's feet here. He's a little bit stiff through the midfoot. So we're just going to give a little pull. And this one. Good. All righty, there you have it.